Just try to imagine catching a common pigeon and then carefully blindfolding it. Lock it inside a completely dark box. Place that box into a truck, drive it 2,000 kilometers away, and then release it deep within a forest. You would naturally assume that the poor little creature will never manage to find its way back home. But wait, the moment the box opens, this pigeon will take flight straight into the sky, and within a few hours it will be found sitting right at its doorstep. What kind of magic does this little bird possess? After all, does it have a hidden GPS in its brain or a secret compass in its beak? So, let's uncover the 3 shocking secrets about pigeons today that even top scientists find baffling. In fact, there are around 300 to 350 species of pigeons found across the world, which means it's not just one type of pigeon. Hundreds of varieties exist on this planet. What's more, these pigeons even communicate with each other, just like humans. They communicate everything to each other through their cooing, the way they flap their wings, and their neck gestures. When a male pigeon fancies a female, he dances around her, puffing out his neck, as if a wedding procession were dancing at a village wedding. The female only agrees if she likes the dance. A female pigeon lays 2 eggs at a time, and the amazing thing is that both the male and female take turns incubating them, just like a responsible husband and wife. The chicks hatch in 17 to 19 days, but now comes the real shocking secret. What do pigeons feed their young? Milk. Yes, you heard that right. Pigeon milk. Pigeons have a special sac in their throat called a crop. In this crop, both the male and female produce a thick, white, milk-like substance, which is called pigeon milk. This milk is so rich that it contains even more protein and fat than cow's milk. And the most amazing part is, there are only 3 birds in the entire world that produce milk for their young, and the pigeon is one of them. Now, let's talk about some rare pigeon species that only the lucky get to see. The first is the Nicobar pigeon. Its feathers shimmer like a rainbow. It is found in India's Nicobar Islands. Next is the Victoria crowned pigeon. It is the world's largest pigeon, and it has a blue crown on its head, as if it were the king of the jungle. And the third is the frill-backed pigeon. Its feathers are so curly, it looks as if it just got a perm at a beauty parlor. Now let's get to the real story. How do pigeons find their way? Pigeons possess 3 superpowers that make them nature's own walking GPS. The first power is magnetic sensing. Pigeons have some very special cells in the upper part of their beaks and inside their ears that can sense the Earth's magnetic field. These act just like a compass, constantly guiding the pigeon in the right direction. This means that whether they are walking, flying, sleeping, or awake, pigeons always know where north and south are. Next comes their second power. A pigeon's brain is filled with tiny magnetic particles called magnetite. In other words, nature has fitted a natural magnet inside the pigeon's brain that works day and night, tirelessly to provide direction. These particles are so sensitive that they immediately detect even the slightest disturbance in the Earth's magnetic field. And finally, the most incredible power of all is the pigeon's super memory. Pigeons have a part in their brain called the hippocampus. It's the part that stores memories. A pigeon's hippocampus is so powerful that once they've traveled a route, every tree, river, mountain and turn is imprinted in their mind like a photograph. When they need to, they simply follow that mental map to head straight back home.